Hi, hello, this is Natalya Faust, and today I'd like to show you something how to make actually those 11.5 and 2.5 Kangen water. This video is going to be helpful for you if you are just trying to research Kangen water, if you are or you are not confident yet, you just got the device from me or from somebody else and you'd like to learn how to make it. So when a lot of people in the beginning, when they just get the machine and they get confused and they just don't know, so this video is going to help you how to feel more confident. It just takes a little practice. Seriously, I've been through that and now it is just like that. Okay, so the first thing what we're gonna do, we have to prepare all the containers because this machine is going to produce two waters simultaneously. From that top hose, we're gonna have 11.5, and from the bottom hose, it's gonna come out 2.5 strong acidic water. Again, I'm gonna say 2.5 because 2.6 is not gonna kill MRSA. This is the only machine that is able to produce the strong waters. The 11.5 is able to break down oil bonds, and 2.5 is able to kill any kind of bacteria, and it is non-toxic. All right, so what we're gonna do, it's very easy. We're gonna open on this particular machine SD501. We're gonna open this compartment, and there is a container that we're gonna put electrolysis enhancers. And what is it? Electrolysis enhancer. So what is that? When people go online and they see some kind of information, remember there is no internet police, and when you go on internet and you see that this is not for drinking. So this electrolysis enhancer as a conductor, it has distilled water and table salt. So basically it uses table salt, and it says right here, water and sodium chloride. That is table salt. Okay, so it's not for drinking, it's just used for producing those two waters. That's it. It doesn't go to drinking chamber. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open here cork. I hope you see it, and I'm gonna wave. Thank you so much everybody for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Hi Shelly, hi Joy Smith, welcome. Florida in the house. I'm so pumped up. So I have the container ready. Now I'm gonna fill up the enhancer right here, and there is a little bubble and a red line we have to fill out right here. Now the machine comes with instructions. Seriously, I don't know why we don't look at the instructions before we get stressed. And I'm gonna use these little things right here. All right, so I'm gonna fill out until the red line. You see that, how easy it is? Boom, done. So again, this enhancer used only to conduct electricity, only to make those strong waters. Okay, so you're not gonna drink it. Now I'm gonna press button, and listen, this is very good part, interesting part. So I'm gonna press this button, strong acidic water. I'm gonna prepare my container for 11.5. This is gonna be my laundry detergent. And also it has a lot of uses. You can do detox food soak. You're gonna put food in it, and it's just amazing. Your body is gonna detox. Your body is gonna feel good. You're gonna sleep better, and there is a lot of benefits. So I'm not making any medical claims here. This is the book. This is made by doctors and researchers. So this book has all the protocols that I personally use, and many people use it, and I believe and I know that they have excellent results. So from that side, I'm going to prepare all my other containers for 2.5 to clean and disinfect, to clean my toilet, to brush my teeth. I actually prepared little bottles. I have prepared 4 of them because everybody have toothbrushes. I'm going to soak toothbrushes. And this container I'm going to put my teeth over there. I have partial to use. So it's amazing water. So are you ready? I'm turning it on. So you're going to open your water on the maximum flow. Okay, maximum flow, and start it, and then you're going to reduce it. So it talks to you. It says decrease flow. So now you can feel it with your fingers. When it is slippery, it's ready. It is actually slippery, and I'm going to put the container. That water, the 2.5, if you see that. So I'm getting it. So it smells like a chlorine. It's not for drinking, but I use it for my child when he had diarrhea. It's great for gingivitis, or if you have any cavities in your mouth and you want to get rid of it, this is the thing that you can use. This is amazing. So when you have strep throat, it's great for that. You just gargle it. So this is what is 2.5 good. And then another thing, right here, I'm gonna set it up. So after that, after you do 2.5 in your mouth, because it's acid, it can eat in your enamel, right? So the same way when you don't brush it after 2.5, you just use your 9.5. I drink 9.5. That's it. So you bring back the balanced pH, and it's amazing. The health, dental health is amazing. It's improved literally in a couple months, and I had a lot of dental issues. Okay, so well, what else I can share with you? This actually 11.5 water is amazing. I love it, and I have here is extra. I'm going to show you by using. This is sesame oil, and I put a little bit sesame oil right here in one cup and in another cup. I'm gonna use regular water right here, regular one, and I have to change my container. It's already full, so I'm gonna get more of the 2.5 right here. Okay, so I'm gonna run it slowly. Okay, and this is my 11.5. You can see. I can also drink it. It's non-toxic. It's not for drinking though. But this is oil, and that's what it does with oil. You see, it's emulsified them. It's so strong and potent. See, this is, I do laundry with it. Another 3 bottles that I'm gonna fill out. This is my bottle. This is for my skin regimen. I don't use any cosmetics for my skin, so I apologize that I didn't buy from you any creams, because this water provides me that stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use my 11.5 for my skin. I'm gonna use my beauty water. I'm gonna use 2.5 to bring up the collagen, so it prevents from wrinkles. So it's amazing. I hope it's helpful for you, and if you are still trying to and thinking and doing your research, and you know, if you're thinking about it, please message me or share this video with other friends. Maybe they will learn and benefit from that. You know, there are a lot of ionizers on the market right now, but this is the only one that's able to do what its promises. This is the medical device. It has certified by Japanese doctors, 6,500 Japanese doctors. So I trust the company. They use it at the hospitals for over 50 years. And I literally, my friend June, he just called me. That's why I decided to make this video. He has psoriasis, and we just made, and his father just got shingles. Oh, shingles, yes. Shingles, and there is a protocol for that. So, and I just wanted to make it life easier for you. So let's get your device, message me, call me. I'm gonna leave my phone in the comment, or just message me, and let's get your device. And everybody who gets the device gonna get a book from me and those wonderful containers. They are very useful, of course, for free. And we will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a good night.